we want to talk to you and tell you about the culture ambassadors who will be very helpful in bringing together people from different ethnical and cultural backgrounds all over the country. So, we could have the first slide, please. The problem is that expats and people of different ethnic and cultural backgrounds here in Estonia don't really have too much information about what's going on. And even if they find the information, they might not have the courage to go there alone. So what would be best? It would be that they would go to the cultural events together and have more English and Russian language information about those events. So the next, thank you. The business idea is the idea of cultural ambassadors, and the aim of the project is to create shared cultural experiences in Estonia. What we would provide, it would include promoting cultural events by video messages and sharing first-hand experiences created by cultural ambassadors and published in culture.ee, kultur.info and kultur.info/ru, which is our Russian language portal in the blog that we will create. And also the aim is, of course, bringing people together by creating a multilingual forum that will also be a part of the blog, or the page that the blog will be on, and also providing possibility for expats to attend events together if they hesitate to go alone, and to share their first-hand experiences about the events. So the team, in addition to many very talented people from PR and other instances of life, we have also in our team Kadri Maistek, who is the head of Estonian Institute, Henry, who is the programmer and the co-founder of Funwise, and also Hooandja, which are the biggest crowdfunding platforms in Estonia. And our new friend Anita, yeah? You'll be there? Good. She's the project manager with more than 15 years of experience working as a project manager in multicultural environments. So the target, the customers would be the expats and people from different ethnic and cultural backgrounds in Estonia. To get people actively involved and share their cultural experiences, we will provide mentoring. We'll bring the people who want to share their different experiences together with people who would tell them how. We will provide them with a platform for video blogging and sharing their experiences firsthand. And also give them a place where they can meet up and talk about where they want to go, why, and whom they should go with, and who maybe get more people to join. So the system that we give them would have long-term impact to the society, because we train people in different parts of Estonia to have the knowledge and the know-how how to get other people to join them, to go and enjoy different culture events together, because enjoying events together and making culture together is something that really helps and brings people together. So the competitive advantage is actually that we have a wide network of people who make all the culture events in Estonia. We have the culture calendar and the culture blog already in 3 languages, in Estonian, English and Russian. and to find mentors and to find contacts is really easy for us, so that's good.